Hi, welcome to our booth. My name is Tommy Lee, VP of Sales for Fanvil and Linkville. Linkville is really a subdivision of Fanvil. I'm here at InfoComm 2026, and what we're showing here is our video conferencing solutions. Our video conferencing solution really comes in three separate pairs. We have basically the CA200, CA400, and the CA600 sets. Each one has really good capabilities, and that the sweet spot that we're actually selling today is the CA400, and one of the great differentiators about this solution is that it doesn't require any plug-in or download from any of the systems at all. This adds a lot of value because many bankers and healthcare workers, as well as people who work with confidential information, do not allow people to download plugins on their PCs. So what companies do is they spend thousands of dollars on a system that they cannot really use. What this CA400 and all these systems do is it allows you to just to plug in either an HDMI port or a USB-C port, and it allows you to instantly plug in to a TV and a camera behind you. We have two cameras shown on the top, one for the CA400 and one for the CA600, and it allows you to really share your screen. It allows multiple people to share their screens with minimal impact, and I can truly say that this is a true plug-and-play solution for every person that comes into play for your conferencing system. That's one of the things that we're showing. If you happen to be here, come to the show. Otherwise, if you want more information, feel free to contact us at www.fanvil.com, which is FANVIL.com. Thanks very much for your time.